Nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's watching. And that's the best news you'll hear all year. Your current reality is that you wake up late. You scroll before you stand. You say tomorrow more than you say done. You check your phone hoping someone noticed you're missing. They didn't. You talk about big goals but avoid small work. You're always one plan away from fixing everything. You feel behind because you are. But instead of building, you wait. Wait for motivation. Wait for the right time. Nobody's checking on you. Nobody's coming. That silence, it's your chance. The truth. Why nobody cares? Nobody cares. Because they're too busy caring about themselves. Everyone's fighting their own invisible war. Everyone's got regret, fear, pain, just like you. You think your struggle is special? It's not. You think your potential matters? It doesn't, until you prove it. The world responds to one thing. Results. Not effort, not intention, not dreams. Just cold, undeniable output. That's why no one's clapping for you yet. You haven't earned it. And that's the truth. You're not owed support. You're not owed praise. What you are owed is the opportunity to go ghost, grind, and come back dangerous. Reframe. Silence is freedom. Silence isn't rejection. It's a license to rebuild. You're not under pressure. You're under the radar. No one expects anything from you. Perfect. That means no one's watching when you fall either. While everyone's online trying to look successful, you get to become something real in the dark. When you're invisible, you're untouchable. You can make mistakes. You can move without noise. You can evolve without applause. They forgot about you? Good. By the time they remember, you won't be the same. Call to action. Mental. Here's what you do now. Go dark. Stop posting. Stop talking. Stop waiting. Pick one thing and attack it daily. Not perfectly, not publicly, just relentlessly. Wake up before you're ready. Work without needing praise. Build something so real it shuts people up without a word. You don't need another video. You need war. Wage it silently, inside your habits, inside your room, inside your mind. Cold close. You're not supposed to be seen right now. You're supposed to be building the version of you they can't ignore. Now go. Lock in. Nobody mode.